There are a few things that can have an influence on product availability information on the web store. The availability depends on stock, and there are a couple of options to select in Sana Admin. Firstly, go to Setup on the left-hand side of the page, and then click Products, and you'll see there is an option at the top of the screen which says Stock and Assortment. You see initially there is an option here which says Availability depends on stock. If this is selected off, the availability of a product is not influenced by stock and you can order without limits. If this is switched on, then the availability of a product in the web store is checked whether or not it's in or out of stock. When a product is out of stock in the ERP, it will display Not Available in the web shop instead of an Add to Basket button. If your order exceeds the amount of stock available, it will display a message in the basket that the quantities you requested are not available and are reduced to the available quantities. The visibility and orderability of new products should be accurately configured and checked in your ERP system. This means that the web store catalog should be correctly created and configured in the ERP system. Use the Webshop Catalog Overview form in your ERP system to check products' visibility and orderability. This form simulates the web store behavior. If a product is not orderable, you can see the reason for this. Everything is one place and you can do the necessary changes directly from this form. For instance, if a product is not visible, you can open it from this form and make it visible. The other options in Stock and Assortment are you can decide how the products are presented. For B2C customers, you can select whether they can view or view an order. You can do the same for B2B and sales agents. You can also decide if you want to show the stock visibility, yes or no. Once you've made those changes, just click the Save Changes button at the top of the screen.